Good morning, good morning. Dumaan kami ulit dito sa may National Highway and we're here at Santa Ilocos Sur. Ayan, at kasalukuyan nating iniikot ang mga napakagandang view na ito dito sa norte. Ayan o. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Medyo good morning everyone. We're here at Santa Ilocos Sur National Highway at kami napadaan